This man developed the nuclear bomb for his country, but ended up being forced to apologize on national television. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan was a brilliant scientist and a true patriot who secretly brought nuclear blueprints from Europe to Pakistan, risking his life to secure his nation's survival and dignity. In 1998, when Pakistan tested its first nuclear bomb, A.Q. Khan became a national hero, celebrated as the father of the Islamic bomb. But a few years later, everything changed. In 2003, a ship named BBC China was intercepted in Italy, carrying parts used to build nuclear weapons to Libya, allegedly linked to the A.Q. Khan network. Under global pressure, Pakistan faced a dangerous choice: admit the truth and face crippling sanctions, or protect the state. To save his nation, Dr. Khan took all the blame upon himself. He appeared on national television and confessed, not because he was guilty, but to shield Pakistan from international punishment. Despite immense pressure from the US and the IAEA, Pakistan refused to hand him over. Instead, he was placed under